We moved up here about 2.5 years ago, and the house is fairly small. We like to be able to entertain friends who are passing through, either going to Brisbane or passing down to Sydney.
Guy's property is about 5 minutes or 10 minutes away from the centre of town.
So we've wanted somewhere that we can put them up in comfort. And so I was very happy to chat with Martin about how we might solve the problem, work the layout of the cabin. Great deal of flexibility there, and so that worked well for us. Martin was very accommodating and listened well to what we wanted to put in place, and it was all very achievable.
Started with the platform, as you can see behind us, and that was probably a month or so prior to the actual cabin arriving.
This is 2.5 days just putting up the main structure now here, and we're a large part of the way there.
This particular cabin, the Corsica 30, can be customised. In this case, the standard design has a separate bedroom to the living, and Guy and Christine wanted open plan, so we've removed the internal wall, and still with the separate bathroom, toilet and vanity shower. And that includes the windows, which can be customised in terms of their placement and size.
It was very attractive to have a place that was going to be well insulated, and so features like the double glazing works well for us. The actual wall panelling are very thick. We've had a couple of nights here down to -6, -8.
And the Europeans know how to build insulated cabins.